Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert forecast. And for the rest of the day, we're monitoring first extremely early this morning, rain and wet snow. Now, I think this will taper off during the course of the morning and eventually by midday and afternoon. A lot of that is going to be further north and east. And then for the afternoon, it's just either cloudy with not much going on or maybe some leftover flurries. High of 40 today. For most of us, I think most of the accumulating snow happens tonight into tomorrow and tomorrow night. So early heavy rain mixing with snow as it tapers off, and then brisk winds with snow tonight and Saturday. Well, we've waited a while to get accumulating snow in Syracuse. We will get it tonight and tomorrow and break all those streaks we've been talking about, because we will get more than an inch of snow tonight and Saturday. After we go into that, some flurries are just left over on Sunday, and then next week is seasonable and feeling more like winter. So we're seeing a steady batch of rain and wet snow coming through. I think this will be slowly tapering off from southwest northeast. I'm just going to put my arm. The back edge of the steady precipitation, meaning we're not talking flurries, we're talking about like the steady rain and the steady mixed rain and snow that we have over the area, should be in this line till about 10 a.m. in this area, and then up north by about noon. There will probably be a sloppy half to inch or two for the higher elevations of central New York. Lower elevations, while it will convert to snow, boy, it's going to be really tough to stick. I mean, there might be something very, very brief at worst, and then it would probably melt. It won't melt, though, tonight and tomorrow. Let's get to that forecast for tonight and tomorrow. First off, it's going to be a gentler light snow most of tonight, although towards the wee hours of the morning, it may pick up slightly in intensity. It looks like accumulations for the overnight hours aren't going to be out of control. I mean, remember, this is central New York. An inch or two is like no biggie, right? I mean, so when you wait, if you're up at 7 in the morning Saturday, I think most of us will see an inch or two of snow on the ground. The best chances for more than that, like 4 inches, would be for the Tug Hill. And by the way, if you're driving into western New York tonight, up to 4 to 8 inches of snow over there. Keep that in mind if you're driving from Buffalo southbound. Ahead on Saturday, it'll be wind whipped. It'll be snowing. It's going to feel like winter. It really will. I mean, temps are going to be in the lower 30s. The wind chills are going to be in the teens. That's what it's going to feel like. And it should be snowing. Additional snowfall I've got at 2 to 4 inches. The only thing that might hold this back a little bit on pavement will be the fact that it's happening during the daytime and that the temperatures are going to be borderline. Still, I think these accumulations are almost assuredly going to happen on lawns, trees, and cars, and maybe just a smidge less on pavement. Still, though, you take the 1 to 2 tonight, you add the 2 to 4 tomorrow, you get 3 to 6, right? So you'll definitely notice that over many areas. By the way, I'll step out of the way and show you this. Again, if you're traveling into western New York, another 4 to 8 inches of snow. So some spots here in southwestern New York will have 8 to 16 inches of snow. That's a pretty ominous. It should continue to snow a little bit more Saturday night. So we've mentioned 1 to 2 plus 2 to 4, that's 3 to 6. Maybe another inch or two. So, you know, after all is said and done, this is accumulating a bit more. Sunday, I think it's just flurries. No sun today, no sun tomorrow, only 15% sunshine on Sunday. Probability is near 100% today, tonight, tomorrow for precipitation. It's both rain and snow this morning, tapering to flurries, and then it's light snow tonight, more snow and wind tomorrow, flurries on Sunday. Next weather system looks wintry as well Wednesday night and Thursday. Here's your 7-day forecast. That's looking much more wintry and seasonable. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Have a good weekend.